Whoosh! Into the heart of a bustling kitchen we go. Picture this, a mouth-watering aroma of cinnamon and sugar, the heartwarming crackle of a warm oven. Can you guess what's baking? That's right, Snickerdoodle cookies. Now imagine a blend of softened butter, sugar, and an egg, whisked until creamy. Add flour, cream of tartar, baking soda, and a pinch of salt to get a smooth dough. Roll them into balls, and then a magical dusting of cinnamon and sugar. Into the oven they go, and in just 10 minutes, voila! Golden brown, soft and chewy Snickerdoodles ready to satisfy your sweet tooth. So, who's ready to bake? Remember, a sprinkle of love makes every cookie taste better. Until next time, keep your aprons ready and your ovens warm. Over and out.